based on actually some feedback from our first session where we talked about, just like we have 911 and 311, we are promoting Separation Divorce 101 as an online tool that is going to lead our individuals who are considering separation and divorce onto this site. And the first thing we're going to do is spend lots of money in Ontario doing an amazing and ongoing PR campaign so that people know about it. So it's going to be print, it's going to be social media, it's going to be TV, it's going to be on buses, it's going to be everywhere, it's going to be in everybody's face. So even though you...
Do it again and again.
Ongoing. So people know about it.
So the first step is when somebody comes to access it, they can either access it online, they can access it with the help of somebody else, they can walk into centers, but they're going to complete a questionnaire or interview that's going to gather all the pertinent information. And once that information is in the system, then we're going to triage and assess and provide them first and foremost with some non-legal resources and referrals, people that we think are going to be necessary and helpful for them in their process.
We're then going to give them some legal information, directions, and roadmap. So we're going to have the roadmap of what one can expect. What are the steps one has to take in order to become legally divorced in the province of Ontario? How do you do that? So you have different options, and a lot of this is based on the questionnaire that you filled out that's going to lead you into different directions, into off-ramps, as Rosalie said. So it'll tell you here are family law lawyers. If your income is X number of dollars, you qualify for legal aid. We have another idea about if it's just a very simple divorce with no complications, go to, it'll take you to another part of the site. So a person could actually do it on their own if it was very, very simple. I think I went through the next two.
And if a person finds any part of this difficult, they're not going to be left behind. Throughout it all, there's going to be help or support available, whether that's calling, accessing chat functionality, going in and meeting with a person, that you are going to be able to navigate this yourself.
We're talking about we're talking about the couple or the person having one person who will follow them through the process that they can come back to and that they will have emotional support from through the process and direction where to go.
So when we talked about the non-legal resources and referrals and then the legal, part of the questionnaire is going to talk about how important it is when you're going through a process such as this to have a team that you are working with, a team that's supporting you. So the team could have non-legal people such as a legal support worker, psychologist, psychiatrist, social worker, therapist, somebody for the children, in the legal realm, as I mentioned, legal aid, or a lawyer, Office of the Children's Lawyer, all the different legal opportunities there are. But we're recommending the team approach.
And I'd like you to tell them the name of your resource where you are involved with.
In the organization that I run, called Act to End Violence Against Women, Act to End Violence Against Women, as in TO. Although our Twitter handle, I think, is 2 in number. In our organization, we have a legal information service that helps women navigate the legal system. So it's really very much all the things that we're talking about to help women from the minute they call our office looking for help, whether they're still living in the family home, whether they're separated, whether they're divorced and they have issues that they want to vary some of the orders, etc., etc. And we hold their hand through the process.
Cecil Fennell. I'm the coordinator of this group. You've been fantastic. And I'm a social worker, psychotherapist, mediator, and retired.
My name is Penny Crowitz.
Beth Virtue.
Bessie Lango. Roseanne Coleman.
So just to keep people on time.